Today I'd like to show you how to access BrainPop content and share that with your learners. So here on the Pequea Valley Symbaloo, there is a direct link to our Pequea Valley BrainPop console. You can also access that directly from the waffle inside of Google Drive. So if I go to BrainPop from Google Drive and I land on the page, I will use my Google account to log in. Once I've gotten into BrainPop, I can use the filters here to browse for content that I'd like to share, or I could also search uh, using the search functionality, find this equations topic, and then once I've gone ahead and found the topic that I'd like to share, I'll go ahead and can copy that link. I could also assign it directly to a class that I've already created. There's a separate resource for creating a class. But let's just say today I want to directly copy that link. I'm going to go ahead and use Schoology as an example. Placing this into a Google Doc or into Class Dojo will work very much the same. I'm going to use the link file external tool here in Schoology. Just place this in like you would any other link. And now that content is accessible to my learners. They will also be able to use the login with G Suite button and be able to access that very similarly to what I just showed you there. And there is an accompanying learner and family resource to help them with that. As always, I hope that this tutorial on grabbing that content from BrainPop and being able to place it into your Schoology, Dojo, or Drive is helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.